I'm here as a member of the international jury, Andrei Lvovich Zhuravlev. I would say yes, it's impressive, very beautiful. I don't know to what extent this will be implemented. Time will tell. These projects should be developed anyway. Green technologies are now trendy. By the way, this is one of the areas of my scientific interest. There are a lot of prospects. This is the future. The project is extremely beautiful and interesting, and I would really like everything to be like this in reality. This is a branch of the fact that our energy will be generated from natural conditions. This is quite interesting and necessary. It's really a cool project. Youth Center for Innovative Developments and Inventions of the MCIRI Mentor. I'm into aerodynamics. This area interests me a lot. Maybe we will even sign a contract. Some kind of cooperation will work out. With a very complex aerodynamic field, the creation of vortices, electricity generation. This needs to be done, and I have some thoughts on this topic. All this is very interesting to me, and I like that the office shows great ingenuity and perseverance in solving such complex, grandiose tasks. Well done, I really admire you.